Hey beauties, if you want to know how I got this color, stay tuned. Alright guys, we are going to start in my bathroom like I always do. So I went to Sally's and I got one of their fall looking hair colors. I apologize, I don't remember the name of it, but here's the box. It's Vivid Darks. And then a small bottle of 30 volume developer. My bowl and my brush. So I opened that tube and I'm just trying to get every little bit out. Guys, get two. The Sally's person talked me into getting one, and I felt like towards the end I was kind of scraped to stretch it. So there is a very small section of my hair that I don't feel like was fully saturated. So definitely get two. It's better to have too much than not enough. So y'all, I am not even gonna hold y'all. I got to mixing this stuff and this color is orange and I got scared. I'll show you in a second. So of course, me being me, I took that cinnamon temptation and added it to it to make it darker, because y'all know I color wigs and stuff all the time, and I knew temptation wasn't gonna hurt my curl pattern. I'll give y'all a little glimpse to show you that it did get a little darker. I just added some more cinnamon temptation in there. All right, I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna put on my handy dandy gloves, as you see here. Always use gloves when y'all do any type of treatment process to your hair. Mess up your hair, your skin, your nails, just a mess. All right, y'all, so here we go. This process probably took me about 40 minutes to get through my head. Because of course I'm starting with the dark roots first because I want those to turn, and then dragging it down onto my blonde hair, which I know won't be hard to change at all. Okay, guys, so we are here, and I am terrified because my hair is rainbow bright orange. So I decided to go in with the French cognac and the honey brown and put it on top of this and see what I was going to come up with. So this is me doing this process. So that's me shaking my head because I see it going a little darker. So I'm like, okay, I could deal with this. Unfortunately enough, I think I only left this on about 20 minutes. I really should have either sat under the hooded dryer or, put a little heat on it. Uh, this didn't last very well. Yeah. I'm gonna wash out my hair and jump in the shower real quick. All right, so here I am the next day, and I just decided it's doable. Let's roll with it. So I'm just doing a quick makeup look because I'm about to go out and about. You guys already know I start off with my brows, my Morphe pencil. I swear by my Morphe pencil. So I am using the Milani Conceal and Perfect blur out. I want to say this is like a foundation stick. So I attempted to use this all over my face and I did not like it. Since I have been in Tennessee, I have been cooked by the sun, so I am a little darker, and you'll see that once I, put this all over my face, I end up not liking it, so I end up mixing it with my Ulta tint, skin tint concealer, and that's what I end up using for this look. colors though. It's too beige. Look like I'm dead. See what I can do. Like this. Okay, guys, so here I am showing y'all that it did not give me a good match. So, as I stated, I am ending up using some of my Ulta brand skin tint. And that may not be the correct name, but you guys have seen me use it on the channel more than once, so I apologize for that. Okay, guys, here is another clip from a different day of me doing my hair. As you will see, it is darker in this video. I will tell you that this color has been a little bit high maintenance for me because after I wash it, it gets brighter. So, being that I work in the office, I don't want to walk around looking bright. So, what I'm doing is taking the cinnamon rinse and I'm mixing it with gel and doing my wash and go like that. Don't try this at home. It does have alcohol in it and it may break your hair, but it's what I've chosen to do to continue to enjoy the color. So, um, I still do everything else the way I've been doing it. If you have been following my channel and my hair journey. So, again, I do love this color. I will probably go back to blonde in the spring. I am just putting on a little, matte lip. I got this from my beauty supply. If you want to know the color, please ask me or I'll drop it in the comment or in the description box below. I am headed to church. As always, thank you guys so much for the support. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in a later video. Love you. Bye.